Hi there, welcome to my short video on testing your relays on your MGB GT. I got a 1979 MG. I pulled it out of the garage. It's a bit of a cold and damp garage, so I've had a lot of electrical and fuel problems actually when I pulled it out. Like a lot of classics, they just don't get used enough. So when you're sat in a garage in these sort of conditions over the winter, you're going to get these kind of problems. Some of the electrical problems were very frustrating, but I eventually concluded that it was probably one of the relays, and it turned out it was actually the ignition relay. There's a great little video on YouTube to test your relays. Very much a standard setup, connected to the spade ends at 86 and at 85 as per the wiring diagram on the cap. Just a battery, all you need to do. Battery. You can hear that audible click. So that's serviceable. But then the video then goes on to tell you about the resistance reading between 87 and 3051. So all I did was set up my multimeter with resistance. We go back and we do the test again on the battery. So we now know that we have the right resistance and the relay is working. We did the same on this one. Yes, we could get the switch to work, but we had no resistance reading. And the reason why we didn't have any resistance reading is that wire there, connected to that spade end, had corroded. And it's not surprising, because when you perhaps go to disconnect it and connect it and whatever, that spade actually moves. And I suppose over the fullness of time, it'll eventually weaken the soldered joint. So we now know that that relay was unserviceable. We'll probably just try and weld it up and get ourselves a new one ordered. That's what it looks like inside, obviously. But if you're having problems, you now know how you need to test your relays, make sure they're serviceable. And yeah, well, I hope that helps. If it's any use, please give us a like. Thank you.